Hey y'all, welcome back to the Quizlet channel. It's your girl Angelica here, part of the Quizlet family. I also have a YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, so if you want to check me out, definitely come by and say hello. But today I'll be going over how to use Quizlet Plus and some of my favorite features. I definitely think you guys are going to enjoy this one because I know I've been using Quizlet already for so long, the free version. So I want to show you all how cool and awesome the features on the Quizlet Plus edition is. So yeah, let's get started. Like many of us, I've always used Quizlet, the free version, for years and years, and I've actually recently tried the Quizlet Plus version, and let me tell you, it totally changed the game of how I'm studying, using my time wisely, and there's so many cool features, so I'm going to be helping you guys set it all up and walk you through all the really cool upgrades on the Quizlet Plus. So number one is creating. Like many of y'all, I've made tons of digital flashcards on Quizlet. I've also used a lot of study sets that are already available, but Quizlet Plus definitely takes your digital flashcards to the next level. The first thing that it does is it makes it really easy to format the text and super aesthetic and easy to move around with. Therefore, it's just easier. I just said easy like 4 times, but it's just easier for your eyes and your mind to pick up when you're studying so many different flashcards. So that is super helpful. Second, I love that now you can insert photos from the computer, the internet, from your phone, your textbook, your notes, wherever you can get a snap of photo and upload it, whether it's through your computer or your phone. With Quizlet Plus, now you can insert photos, which can definitely help you study, whether it's diagrams or functions or samples or really whatever you need photos, which is a lot of times. So I highly recommend it. I know that Quizlet already has that predictive photo thing where they insert photos from like previous or other people's study sets, but sometimes that's not always accurate because your teacher or your curriculum or your textbook might have different diagrams. So this is going to be so much more effective and efficient and help you study a lot more information and hopefully in a much quicker time period. You can also do diagrams. I love diagrams. I feel like diagrams help me understand so many things that are complex and long and complicated. And you can also do audio, which is great. You can add in little voice memos or notes to remind you when you're studying and going through your flashcards. And you can also scan in documents with your phone, which is great because I know a lot of us still get paper handouts or even our notes. People who like to still write it by hand. So that's a great way to integrate everything all in one place. And so now your flashcards are really elevated with the photos, the audio, the scan in, the diagrams, and it's going to be looking really great and, you know, more things all in one place so you don't have to flip and go through all your different types of notes you have. Okay, this next one might be my favorite aspect of Quizlet Plus, and that is that you can use it offline. I don't know about you, but I get really tempted by notifications, my phone, technology, social media, and so sometimes I'll have to either put my phone in a different room or turn off the Wi-Fi or data so I can't connect to the internet. So that is why having Quizlet Plus offline is super great because you can still study your sets. You actually need to be connected to the internet to access your sets or other people's sets, but if you have Quizlet Plus, you can download it onto your phone so you can always access it even without internet, and that's great when you're trying to focus and you don't want any temptations. At least you can still study. Also great for airplanes, traveling, areas where the internet is not very good. I know sometimes even outside or places in your own house have really poor internet connection or whatever it is, so having it offline makes it reliable and making sure it's accessible all the time. Last but not least, it is the learning aspect. I know Quizlet already has some great things like the quizzes, the tests, the cool games, but with Quizlet Plus, they take this to the next level. They have things that track your progress. They know exactly where you need to do better, what you've already mastered, and where they want to slowly introduce new information to you. So it's just a way better way to study because they have really great AI and software that's going to make your studying and recall much better. They give you personalized study paths, meaning they recommend different things for you to study. Maybe you need to do this more, maybe this is already okay. And they also give you progress insights like I just said, and also smart grading. So they know when you are completely off or a little off and making sure that you are getting the right feedback you need. And the AI and software is so good. It's basically like having a private tutor, but with your own notes and your own flashcards and exactly the curriculum you know it's going to be tested. So I think it's great and such a great aspect of Quizlet Plus. So definitely check out Quizlet Plus today. There's a 7-day free trial so you can see if it works for you, test it out, and also then it is $3.99 per month. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Quizlet channel. Let me know what your favorite Quizlet Plus features are, and I'll see you all in the next video.